everyone! If you're looking to replace eggs in a baked goods recipe, I highly recommend flax eggs. They're super easy to make, they help bind your ingredients together, and they don't alter the taste of your recipe. Watch how easy this is to make. To replace one egg, you'll use a tablespoon of flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of water. Simply cover the meal with the water, give it a stir, and then set it aside for a few minutes. Whenever I bake, I like to gather all of my ingredients together and have them in front of me. And if the recipe calls for a flax egg, I'm going to put that together first. That way I can set it aside and let it start gelling together as I start putting my dry ingredients together. When it's time to pour in the wet ingredients, it's usually ready and I can just incorporate it right in. This is how it looks after sitting for about 5 minutes. You can see how thick it gets. That's it. It's super easy to make a flax egg. You can easily replace eggs in your baked goods with these. Again, they help bind your ingredients together, they don't alter the taste at all, and they're super easy to make. I will link to a recipe that I use a flaxseed egg in. I'll put that in the description for you so you can give it a try. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them for me. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.